carry this message. Nah, give Gambari. Make Buhari they hear. We they give them just few days. We go rumble the economy of this country. As I wanna, enough of the insult. Me, I first know say this meeting no get ahead. Because everything about Niger Delta na joke. Everything about South na joke. All the politicians will be appointees for South supposed to don't come this state. They supposed to don't stay here. Since this meeting was planned, all the ministers from South, where them they? Are they not supposed to be the first people to come for the stakeholders meeting? Are we not supposed to, as a people, have had discussions? They play politics with South. If South not there, they for appoint them. All of them don't make friend finish. They don't go that side make friend finish. Now 2023 be their problem. 2023 Abi. The black say that see make them know NSAS na play. NSAS na play. Make it happen for this South. It go be. This one don't show now. We be our governor. Say all those play when they play with this bull. More I just carry this message. They go out. That don't play don't end. This laugh one they laugh with presidency don't end. No, now be our problem. If you like, I send letter to you tomorrow. No, not accept my letter. No concern me. I don't talk. They laugh when they laugh with the presidency. Now be our problem. When I go Abuja, if I say the allocation they sweet on her. And I go come plan meeting finish from where on our day, on our way in our own side, on our be like strong men. See us on the week. Not the week they give Gambari. Gambari where just take office some few days ago. Just imagine. Someone for a product of struggle. What don't they do? Gambari go just call you. The council meeting. A whole governor of Delta State. When in the march, youths of Niger Delta they behind you. Gambari they cancel your meeting where you fix for South. You don't tell us something. Now I make the name they like us. Because we know if we take the nonsense from them. And if we are not resolve this matter within the next few days, our own answers get another tune. We cannot be taken for granted all the time. See East West Road, they rotting, they go. People they die every day. They send a consultation, they still cancel them. They dash us money, when they call 13% derivation that they take. You don't reach after this meeting, we no hold like this. We're going to reject all those offers. Until we and this government sit down like this. Even allocation say, "More no collect." No. Because we need to inconvenience ourselves to get result. We're going to not collect anything from them again. We're going to at least to show, say, on our respect South. We're going to not pick any call from presidency. At least within the next 24 hours. If they take their phone call, if I say, "Oh, not sell us out." This meeting is as important as any other meeting in this Nigeria. I know we'll talk again. I play the very foul.